Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram trending speed ramp video editing using Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project and then we can import the videos that we want to edit. I'm going to choose 2 videos from my gallery and I'm going to click on add to import the videos. Okay, and then I'm going to cut the video, wait, to make the process faster. And for this one as well, I'm going to cut it here. Okay, split and delete. And then now it's time to create speed ramp video editing. We can click on the video and then we're going to choose speed and then select curve and then we're going to choose custom, then edit, and then you're going to follow this graph. Okay, I'm going to make it like this guys. Okay, it's done. And then you can apply the smooth slow motion. I'm going to choose faster process and click on this check mark. And then now the smooth slow motion is being applied to this video. Okay, and let's play it. And this is how it looks. And then I'm going to apply the speed ramp editing to this video as well. And we're going to do the same. Go to the speed, select curve, custom, and edit. And we can do the same graph. Okay. I'm going to reduce the speed to 1 and drag it up. Okay. And apply the smooth slow motion. Click on the check mark and hold on. Okay. Alright. Now the smooth slow motion has been applied and I'm going to play it. Okay. That's so cool. And to make it more captivating, you can add music. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial on how to create Instagram trending speed ramp video editing on CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.